Every day, millions of people go online believing they are completely safe. They scroll social media, watch videos, shop online, connect to public Wi-Fi, and install apps without thinking twice. One of the most popular tools people use for privacy today is a VPN. Advertisements say things like, "Become anonymous online, protect your data, hide from hackers." And because of those promises, millions of users install free VPN apps every single day. But here's the scary question. What if the app that claims to protect your privacy is actually collecting your data instead? Sounds impossible, right? But in reality, this has happened many times before. To understand why, we first need to understand how the internet tracks people. Every device connected to the internet has something called an IP address. Think of it like a digital identity. Whenever you visit websites, stream videos, or use apps, information about your activity can be collected. Websites may track your location, your device type, your browser, your searches, and even how long you stay on certain pages. Today, data is extremely valuable. Large companies use it for advertising, platforms use it for recommendations, and cybercriminals may try to abuse it for scams and attacks. This is where VPNs come in. VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. Normally, your internet traffic goes directly from your device to websites. But a VPN creates an encrypted tunnel between your device and the internet. This helps hide your IP address and adds extra privacy protection. That's why many people use VPNs in coffee shops, airports, hotels, colleges, and other public places. But here's the problem. Running VPN servers around the world costs a lot of money. Servers cost money. Bandwidth costs money. Security systems cost money. Technical teams cost money. So ask yourself this question. If a VPN is completely free forever, how is the company making profit? Some free VPN companies make money by collecting user information. Instead of selling subscriptions, they may sell user data to advertisers or third parties. Some apps track browsing habits, some collect device information, some monitor app usage patterns, and in some cases, users never even realize it's happening. This is why cybersecurity experts always say, if the product is free, sometimes you are the product. And things can become even more dangerous. Some fake VPN apps are created by cybercriminals. These apps may show excessive ads, redirect websites, install malware, collect login credentials, or secretly track user activity. Some fake apps even copy logos and names of popular VPN brands to trick users. And because many people never check reviews carefully, they install these apps without suspicion. Another major danger is public Wi-Fi. Imagine sitting in an airport or cafe using free internet. You connect quickly because it seems convenient. But attackers sometimes create fake Wi-Fi networks with names similar to real ones. Unsuspecting users connect to them, thinking they are safe. This is why online awareness matters more than ever. Technology alone cannot fully protect careless behavior. Even the strongest VPN cannot stop someone from entering passwords into fake websites, clicking phishing links, downloading dangerous apps, trusting online scams. Cybersecurity is not only about software, it's also about smart decisions. So how can you stay safer online? First, always research apps before installing them. Check company reputation, reviews, privacy policies, permissions requested by the app. Second, avoid downloading random apps from unknown websites. Third, enable two-factor authentication whenever possible. And finally, think carefully before trusting anything online. Because hackers today don't always attack computers first. Sometimes, they attack human psychology. Fear, urgency, curiosity, excitement. These emotions are often used in cyber scams every single day. The internet is powerful, but cybersecurity awareness is now essential for everyone. Students, gamers, creators, families, businesses, anyone connected to the internet can become a target. So, next time you install a free VPN or connect to public Wi-Fi, remember one important thing. Online privacy depends not only on technology, but also on the choices you make. Stay safe online and follow for more cybersecurity awareness content.